Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and we got a myth about radon we want to address that we hear every once in a while, so stay tuned. Okay, so sometimes we hear through the grapevine that you can smell radon. That's not true. Radon is odorless, colorless, you can't see it, you can't smell it, nothing. So anybody that's telling you that you can smell a radon issue is lying to you, okay? It's not true. Now there are other soil gases that come from the crawl space like methane and VOCs and different things like that that you can smell, but radon is not one of them. Another myth that I find every once in a while is they talk about plastic, crawl space plastic or vapor barriers, vapor retarders will actually stop radon. What? It's a vapor retarder. Vapor is, water. So how is it that a vapor retarder or vapor barrier is able to stop radon? And if that was true, then why do we need to install radon mitigation systems inside houses? We can just put plastic all over everything. So we consider that a big myth out there about vapor barriers stopping radon. So I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you'll like this video down below, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.